Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles and it's all about pumpkins in the fall season, Kristin. And Kristin Hildabrand is here with us today and she's going to have a few tips for us to decorate with our home and maybe have some fun with the family.
Oh, yeah. So I love this time of year. You kind of alluded to that. It seems like this time of year, it kind of gets us in the good mood. We're thinking about all the good things of fall. And so, pie pumpkins are really a good item that you can find at any farmer's market locally. And, they're pretty inexpensive when you think about it. And so, whenever you're thinking about maybe using pumpkins around your home, there's a lot of different ways that you can do that. And one way that we found is that you can actually spend some time by doing a gratitude pumpkin or a thankful pumpkin. There's a lot of different spins, but basically what you do is with the pie pumpkin, after you get it home, kind of wash it off a little bit because there is a little bit of dirt whenever it's laying, particularly on the actual ground itself. So kind of rinse it off, or really just kind of take a damp wash rag and just kind of wipe it off. So that way you've got a nice clean surface to write with. And so we've got a black Sharpie marker there. And so what you do at the top of it, Joanna, is that you just put I am thankful for ... And so each time you're going to have family time, whether it be at the dinner table or say you want to do it each Sunday morning, whatever that time is for your family, you can have each member of your family write what they're thankful for, what they're grateful for. And so it's just a great way to spend time at home with your family. And, you do have that connection with your family, I feel like, especially in certain times like this. So we put things like family, friends, books, kisses. I feel like with food, there's all endless
All
possibilities.
That's right. And you kind of just keep on filling up your pumpkin
Yes.
each time you get together. I think it's a great idea. And then you take a picture of it and you have memories that last forever.
Yeah, and you can keep it right on your table and it reminds you of that time that you all had spent together. So that one's really easy to do. Like you said, just keep adding to it. You can even keep it on your table throughout Thanksgiving or up until Thanksgiving.
So we can also put this on our table, right?
Yes, so this is what I really enjoyed. As you know, I like to decorate. So we've actually taken some blaze type pumpkins. It's a little bit different from the pie pumpkin there, but it's got some nice colors that represent fall. You can see this particular one has some yellow and some red or orangey kind of streaks through it, whereas this other one has more white with a little bit of green to it. So what I actually did is I took like a container, and it's pretty level. Like when you put it as a centerpiece, you want to be able to still have conversation with family and friends around the table. So we wanted to make sure it was low. So we've actually picked up a container. It actually have handles so that way you can move it wherever you need to later on. But what I did is I actually went out into the garden and landscape. I'm always really excited to actually go out there and cut some natural elements off. But what we did before we put the pumpkins on, Joanna, is we added some heavenly bamboo, just the foliage there. And so what we did is we kind of made a place for it and then put the 3 pumpkins on top. Of course, this one we added in the center just so it's a nice contrast with our other 2 more white pumpkins.
And the design element of having 3, like an odd number, I see that you have that here
Exactly.
as well.
It's better to use odd numbers because it is more eye-appealing to anybody that views your centerpiece. So once you do that and add the pumpkins in, then we took also some of the berries that you have off of your heavenly bamboo type shrub, and then we just kind of placed that strategically on the edges and kind of around the pumpkin so that way it kind of further accentuates. And berries are so colorful for fall. They're just beginning to change. So these are just kind of a darker red, but they'll get really bright red as we get into the winter garden
Is it
season.
a natural? And are these grasses?
Yes, so that's Sea Oats. We actually have some of that here at the extension office. It's also really pretty for this time of year. So I think of like with fall, I think of harvest season. So this is just a beautiful, and it does give a nice different texture to and variety to our arrangement. So we've just kind of stuck those in. We've added some nice votive candles just to kind of give you that nice look around your table.
Beautiful, Kristin. Now, all of this information is going to be in your extension on the go bag for the month of October. So make sure to go online or give us a call at the office to claim your bag today. Thanks for watching the Farm and Home Show. We hope you have a great day.